Sewer flies inside your condo unit can be a real pain, but you can totally handle them with some simple tricks that actually work. So, the first thing you want to do is keep your drains clean because those flies love gunk and grime. Pouring boiling water down the drain once or twice a week helps flush out their hangouts. Another solid move is to mix baking soda and vinegar, about half a cup of baking soda followed by a cup of vinegar, and let it fizz for 10 minutes before rinsing with hot water. That combo breaks down the gross stuff the flies breed in without harsh chemicals. Also, don't forget to run some water regularly to keep the trap filled. It stops sewer gases and flies from coming up. Here's a neat trick. Pour a quarter cup of vegetable oil in the drain after running water. This forms a barrier so the water trap doesn't dry out and keeps the flies away. Repeat this every month or so to keep things fresh and fly-free. Lastly, make sure garbage disposals and sink stoppers are cleaned out since they can harbor larvae. Keeping your condo's pipes dry and clean is key to making it uninviting for those sewer flies. One of the biggest mistakes people make with sewer fly control is ignoring the water trap in drains. If it dries out, flies get through easily, so topping it off with water and that vegetable oil layer is clutch. Another common problem is using harsh chemical sprays that only kill adult flies but don't fix the breeding source, so stick to natural cleaners like baking soda and vinegar instead. Lastly, people often forget about cleaning other spots like garbage disposals or bathroom sink stoppers where larvae hide, so regularly scrubbing those areas helps stop the fly cycle cold. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to fixing these kinds of problems. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a great way to find new clients looking for help with home repairs and maintenance.